In this video, I'll be sharing with you a secret website that top designers do use to source design resources and assets for their design project. Hello guys, you're welcome to another exciting day. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to YJ Digital World. I remain your host, Agu Joseph. So without further ado, let's dive into this secret website. So the name of this secret website is called freepik.com. Here is the URL to the website, and over here we have the dashboard of freepik.com. This is how it actually looks. Please, a quick disclaimer, this is not a promotional video for freepik.com, but rather an educational video that can help you source resources from the website. On the Freepik dashboard over here, we have a lot of features ranging from tools, image, icons, videos, PSDs, and lots of more. Okay, and over here we also have other features that has to do with you creating an account and signing in. To be precise, you can sign in using your Gmail or your mail account for that. Okay, and over here we also have another feature that enables you to make a search by typing in your keywords and hit the search button, and it will actually give you the search results for that. Okay, so over here we have like sub menus of the features we have at the top over here. Okay, over here you notice we have AI generator, image generator to be precise, mockup generator, reimaging, image editor, sketch to image, and lots of others as well. Over here as well we'll have other features like those we have at the top, ranging from vector, photos, AI image, icons, videos, what else? We have the PSDs, templates, mockups, and the rest of them. Okay, if you scroll down over here, we'll have more of images over here and some stock videos at this end, while over here we have some creative projects over here where you can download different kind of resources such as this. Okay, you can expand them and view how it actually looks. This is in form of like a collection of a particular kind of act. That is in terms of that. So we'll go back to the top and navigate each and every one of these features. So earlier on I skipped this particular feature that is beside the search panel. Okay, this also has a similar feature like the one you have at the top over here. Okay, so let's dive into each and every one of these features. Over here we have the AI generator. Okay, this enables you to create image from words into real time. That is in terms of using words to create image. You can also create image variation with AI tools, that is reimaging a particular image. You can also do what sketch to image, transform a doodle into an image in a real time, to be precise. Background remover features is also enable, mockup generator, image generators. Okay, that is in terms of these features. So I can choose to work with this, for instance, to explain how it actually works. Okay, this is an image generator. Okay, so we'll come over here and place and type in our text. Let me say an image of a monk. So I'll type in the keywords monk, and hit the generate button. So over here we have the search results for our keywords. Okay, and I can still choose to expand this by clicking on load more to give you other varieties of options. Okay, you can see different preview, okay, of the word monk. I can still go further by expanding this and say, okay, monk community, the community of monk, and hit the search button. Okay, you can see this is a preview of a monk community. Okay, it all depends on you place in your keywords and it will actually do its magic. So we'll return back to the home page of freepik.com. The next tool I would like us to navigate has to do with images. So here we have vector, photos, AI, and the rest of them. So over here under the vector we have illustration, textures, and other menu under them. Okay, beside this where we have photos, we have other kind of photos, to be precise, as well as under the AI you can also generate image in terms of that. Okay, so that is in terms of the vector, that is in terms of image. Over here we have icon, and on the icon we have the black field, black outline, flat, hand drawn, lean color, and gradient. So it all depends on the one you are actually looking for. Let me click on gradient and let's see what it will provide us with. So over here we have diverse icons, okay, with the gradient fill, to be precise. Okay, and over here I notice this panel also has a filter feature. On this filter feature over here you can make adjustments or narrow down your search using the filter. Okay, we are making search on icons in regards to gradients. I can come over here and select color, set this from gradient to this. Okay, set it to black, and you can see what happens. This actually happens. I can still change this by picking a particular color of my choice for the icon, and you can see what will happen. Let me change this to this shade of color and you see what actually happens. It provides you with a wide range of options in terms of narrowing down your search. Okay, that is in terms of making use of the icon. So return back to the dashboard. Over here we'll come over here where we'll have the videos. Under the videos we'll have background and the rest of them, travel and places, people and emotion, food and drinks. We have nature, business and tech, and the rest of them. It all depends on what you are looking for. Narrow down our search to, let me say, people and emotions, and see what actually happens. Okay, crime, video, motivation. It all depends on the emotions. Okay, so you navigate and see what actually works out for you, or you can still go further and make use of your search panel to narrow down your search. So we'll go back to the home panel as well. Come over here on the PSDs, we'll have mockups, social media, flyers, and the rest of them, business cards. So you can navigate through this and select what you want, or make use of the search panel to actually give you what you actually want. Okay, come here and search the word, let me say, a car mockup, to be precise. Instead of using the features at the top, and hit the search button, you can see over here we have diverse range of mockup suggestions. So I can choose to select a particular mockup and download it and make use of it for my design. Please take note that on this results over here, you notice some images has a feel of an orange or yellow feel, a crown icon on them, while some doesn't have that. Those with the crown icon are the premium resources. Those without those are the free to use resources. So for the premium, you have to actually pay to use them. So I can click on this to give you an illustration of how to go about downloading any of this. So over here it gives you a prompt that looks this way. You can click on download. Over here on the download, okay, this is more of an image, okay, from the look of things. You can come over here under the attributes, click on this arrow pointing down. You can have a preview of this. Okay, this is more like illustration file, JPEG file. Okay, this is more of Illustrator and JPEG. That is an image file. This is not a mockup, to be precise. So I can click close the search, come over here. I believe this is a mockup, so I can click on this. Okay, and you can see that the file format is suggesting PNG and PSD. Okay, because mockups mostly comes in PSD file format. That is in terms of that. So if you intend to download, you have to make payments for that. Okay, so we'll go back to the dashboard as well, and over here we have more other features as well, ranging from Flaticon, Freepik, and the rest of them, So you can go about, that is under the category of projects, enhanced solution, more content. You have 3D fonts and the rest of them. You can go and navigate. Okay, this is also coming in handy for those who are both designers, and that is graphic designers and UI UX designers. You notice there is room for plugins. Okay, Freepik plugins for Figma and other plugins as well that you can attach to your Figma. Okay, you can attach this to your Figma and you can make use of this in any design project. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, do well to give it a like, do well to smash the like button. If you have any question or comments, you can leave your questions and comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next.